Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you, the SCULPFUN S30 Ultra 33-watt laser engraver and cutter. If you are a creator, maker or just someone who loves DIY projects, this powerful tool might just be the game changer you have been looking for. First, let me show you this machine in action, and then we will dive into all the fantastic features this laser engraver offers. Ultra boasts an impressive 600 by 600 mm engraving area. That's the real deal. No limitation on your creativity when it comes to size. It provides ample space for your large-scale cutting and engraving projects. Plus, it's built to last, so you won't need to worry about upgrading the structure for the future use. One standout feature is the enhanced laser power. With a single enhanced 6-watt diode, you will get 11, 22 and a whopping 33-watt laser options. This flexibility ensures that you can handle a wide range of projects with ease. Safety is top priority with the S30 Ultra series. It's equipped with an emergency stop switch and a safety child lock. In case of an emergency, the stop switch can hold the machine, and with a key remove, it's child-proof, preventing any accidental mishaps. SCULPFUN has kept the design highly compatible. Whether you have the 11-watt, 22-watt or 33-watt model, the power adapter structure and the laser cable are all the same. Future upgrades are a breeze, just swap out the laser head with no other changes needed. This engraver comes with a toolbox and laser repair box for storing all necessary tools, like mechanical wrenches, tweezers and nozzle cleaners. Additionally, it includes a dedicated fixed vacuum column storage box for added convenience. The enhanced 42-bit step-in motor delivers the power needed for high-speed movement, even as you upgrade the laser or the load. There is no need to replace the motor, ensuring your machine's longevity. The S30 Ultra series features an innovative replaceable lens that significantly extends the laser's lifespan. One free lens is included in your purchase, and replacements are affordable and readily available from SCULPFUN. With advanced high-pressure air-assisted metal nozzle, this engraver increases cutting efficiency by generating high-pressure airflow. This results in cutting speeds over 5 times faster than without air assist, with the added bonus of cleaner cutting surface. The 32-bit motherboard not only supports automatic air assist control, but also allows wireless Bluetooth connection. This means you are not limited by the distance of the USB cable, offering greater convenience. The S30 Ultra achieves industrial-grade engraving precision with a 0.005mm high-precision linear slide rail on the x-axis. Say goodbye to those wavy patterns that often appears on ordinary engraving machines when working on small details. For those who find it dazzling, the S30 series includes a detachable glass eye shield, ensuring comfort during operation. And if you don't need it, it's easily removable. Built from high-strength aluminum alloy, the S30 series frame can withstand up to 50 kg without any damage. This durability ensures it can be used for a long time while maintaining the high precision. In conclusion, the SCULPFUN S30 Ultra 33-watt laser engraver and cutter is a versatile and high-performance tool that brings your creative projects to life with precision and ease. Whether you are a hobbyist or professional, this machine offers the power and features to make your visions a reality. If you are interested in learning more or want to get your hands on one, be sure to check the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.